Hey, this is Igor. In today's video, I'm comparing manual trading versus using my Aurix bot. I'll show you both approaches, where you analyze yourself and where Aurix does it all in one click. Aurix is my personal bot for pocket option. It scans markets in seconds, suggests trades, and gives clear signals. No stress, no charts, just results. Hundreds in my VIP group already use it daily. Want to try it free? Check the link in the description. My Telegram has the bot, signals, bonuses, and support. Let's start by adding the first indicator, RSI. It's very simple to use. You'll see two zones on the chart, the upper and lower ones, marked by 70 and 30. I'm watching for RSI to cross one of these levels. For example, right here, the price dropped below the 30 level. I'm marking it with a vertical line to make it clear. This is where RSI entered the oversold zone, and the price instantly bounced upward. You can clearly see the reversal after the RSI signal. Same thing here, another drop, RSI hits the oversold zone, and price reverses again. RSI worked perfectly. Green candles start forming. The trend shifted and a sideways move began. It's clear, signal, reaction, correction. And when RSI touches the upper zone, that can be a signal for a downward move too. Let me find a good example of that. Here we go. Price is approaching the 70 level. It didn't fully cross it here, but still started moving down. Here's a more obvious case. RSI crossed above the level, marking it a clear entry, and the price immediately drops after that. That's our entry point. Now just waiting for a similar setup again. No signal yet. That's why manual trading is harder. You have to wait for the right moment. RSI breaks the level and trend instantly reverses. The indicator is doing its job. I've already opened a trade on a buy based on RSI. This is the AED pair. There's a support zone right where price landed. Looking to the left, we can see accumulation in this area, and RSI is once again in the oversold zone. But not every chart gives you a perfect signal immediately. Sometimes you just have to wait, and that's normal. Trading isn't about rushing, it's about precision. Wait for the setup, then go in. With the bot though, it's a whole different story. No waiting, just launch it. And it does all the analysis and gives you the trade. Though, to be fair, this manual setup came pretty fast too. $460 profit. That trade closed in the money. RSI did its job again. Let's find one more example. There's a small uptrend here. Price is heading toward a strong resistance zone. Looks like that's the current target. RSI is also approaching the overbought area. Still no entry, waiting. There's even a bit of divergence on RSI here, but I'll save that for another video. Let's wait for price to hit the right zone. By the way, if you want signals like these every day, join my Telegram. In the VIP group, I give out ready-made signals based on RSI, zones, and patterns. And the Aurix bot? It's a beast. It gives you exact entry points and directions, all automated. Links to the group and bot are below the video. Get in while access is still open. Alright, now price has finally hit the overbought zone. Had to wait a few minutes, but it was worth it. Clear signal, strong entry, going for a put. Everything's working again, but you see, manual trading takes time. Analyzing, watching, picking pairs, drawing zones. With the bot, it's all done for you. Trade closed in the money. Another $460 profit. RSI reversed exactly as expected in the overbought zone. Now let's switch to the bot and you'll see how fast it goes. Let's start with crypto, Bitcoin OTC. Everyone's watching it today, so why not? Choosing 1 minute time frame. Bot gives a signal to go short. I enter the trade. Bot confirms momentum is breaking down. We've already touched the resistance zone. Perfect timing. Fast, easy, no manual thinking. Bot does all the work, just click and enter. Another $460 in profit in just 1 minute. Next pair. American Express OTC. 1 minute trade. Start. Signal, entry. 2 EMAs crossing downward, adding them to the chart. Crossover confirmed. Stochastic also shows bearish pressure. Perfect signal. Another $455 profit. Balance keeps growing. One last trade for today. Current balance is already $22,385, and that's just 10 minutes of trading. Looking at AUD/NZD, quick scan shows a signal to go short. Heikin Ashi red candles. MACD is also below zero. Perfect match. Analysis took 20 seconds. And signal is ready. Aurix does it all. Fast, accurate, consistent. Click, enter, profit. Manual analysis takes time, but here it's all automated. And we've got another win. That's it for today. Over $2,000 profit in just a few trades. Manual trading works but takes time. Aurix does the heavy lifting, scanning markets, confirming signals, and saving you 90% of the effort. Just choose a pair, set the time, and hit start. Want to trade like this? Links are below. Join my Telegram. Test Aurix for free.